Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the TV and gathering hardware. Make sure your Samsung set either supports Chromecast built-in or that you have a Chromecast device. Once you have the dongle, plug it into an HDMI port and attach power. Use the TV remote to pick that HDMI input. You do this now because the rest depends on the dongle being active. After switching inputs, keep your phone or laptop nearby for the next pairing steps and for installing Chrome on the casting source. You next configure the Chromecast and prepare Chrome to cast. Open Google Home and follow the setup to pair Chromecast to your Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the same network so discovery works. Once paired, open Chrome on your source device, verify the cast option under the three-dot menu, and choose the Chromecast target. You do this because Chrome runs on the phone or PC and streams tab or screen content to the TV via the Chromecast bridge. You finish by choosing what to cast and confirming playback on the TV. In Chrome, pick Cast and choose whether to cast a tab, a window, or your entire desktop. Select the Chromecast device and start playback. For video with audio, choose Desktop and enable Share Audio. If the stream stutters or won't connect, reboot the Chromecast, your router, or switch frequency bands and try again. This resolves most network discovery and latency issues, so you
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.